Okay, so good morning everyone. Let's move on to class. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so last class we discussed how to configure Ansible master and Ansible host missions. Anyone tried? Anyone any doubt? So one is master. One mission is just we need to make it as master. That is Ansible server. And so now just assume these are the host, two host. So how we are connecting these missions? If you want to connect with the help of SSH only, just blindly remember how we are connecting with the help of SSH. So it is connecting via SSH. So this mission also, every mission it is connecting via SSH only. And one mission, this is the Ansible server. This is the Ansible server, and this is the host one. And each host we have IP address, right? Correct. And so
Yes, sir.
once if we install Ansible software, only one command. So yum install Ansible hyphen core hyphen y. If we install, so by default it is generating so three files, right? One is host files, config file, and roles directory. So and so we need to create one common user for all missions. Master, sorry, that is Ansible server as well as host also. So next log into that particular user and just generate the SS key. This is public SSS hyphen keygen, right? It is generating one public key. Copy this public key and paste into the which host you want to connect. So every host mission we need to paste it public key. Otherwise it won't work. We are connecting via SSH, right? So via SSH, if you want to connect, copy that public key and paste into the so every host missions. That's it. And yesterday we discussed, right? I hope anyone tried, anyone any challenges, any issues? Configure Ansible server and so client host missions, same only. Now go to here, and if you want to check how Ansible, and here host file, right? In the host file I created one group. So host file, right? This is the host file. Under host file I created one group. Under this group, how many hosts you want to connect? This is a group I given, so DevApps, right? So under DevApps we need to add this IP or host names, whatever you want. Add IP address. So whatever you want, we can add IP addresses or we can add host names. Okay, once that is done, how to check connectivity? How to check connectivity? So yesterday we saw, right? So how we are connecting? So Ansible, what is this? Ansible space Ansible space hyphen m. What is the m means here? Model. Which model we
Modules.
used yesterday? If you want to check ping
Ping
model
modules.
space and group name. Group name means it will check connectivity between all groups. How many IPs added in our group? So that and all we can see. So this is the group name. This is the group name. So DevApps, right? So this is one way. Or if you want to check particularly, if you want to check so particularly, so that case we can use so Ansible hyphen m model name ping, and we can use IP address also. IP address, so like 10 dot whatever we have, so that IP address we can use it. And also we see, right, what is setup model? We can use Ansible hyphen m. Hyphen m is common model. So Ansible people, they are providing many models, and with the help of that model, no need to go implement, just learn how to use that model, what is the purpose. There is a setup model. And if I use DevOps means we will get more information your each host missions and all. Clear? So now let's come to here. Now my instance is running. Let me connect. So this is the Ansible server. This is the Ansible server. Now click on connect. Go to SSH, copy, go to here. Where is your my PM file? Go to that particular path, right click, hit bash. Now see, okay. So S control plus plus. So this is my Ansible server. So now how to check it? So Ansible hyphen m ping, and we created one group name, right? CRM or DevOps. Now see here, Ansible is not found. What is means you are in so actually EC2 hyphen user. So EC2 hyphen user, EC2 hyphen user, Ansible not available. Now see here, Ansible hyphen version. Now whether it is available or not. Now it is available. Ansible spelling also top, right? Now actually we need to where I generated SS key and all EC DevOps user, right? First switch to DevOps user, otherwise it won't work. SU switch user DevOps hyphen DevOps. This is my common user. Why it is asking? I am connecting EC2 user, right? First sudo hyphen, it is asking password. Okay, go to root user, then we need to connect. Already we enable, right? Okay, we'll see. Now switch user hyphen DevOps. Now I'm in DevOps user. Okay. Now so Ansible hyphen m ping and group name DevOps or CRM I given. What is the group name yesterday I given? Or else go to this particular path,
DevOps
cd space slash
host.
Ansible. Under Ansible we can issue host file cat space host. So whichever mission you want to add, so group name is not DevOps, CRM. CRM is one more group, but anyway this IP is not available, right? So now this is the group name DevOps. So this is a working. This is already existing instance. Ansible hyphen m ping space. If you want to, we can use specific IP, or I am using DevOps. Now see here, we can see it is connecting only one mission. It is a success. Remaining one is a fail. Fail means anyway that is. Suppose if you don't want this IP address, if you don't want this IP address, what you need to do? Sudo vi host file, and just I am going to comment. How to comment? What is the, if you want to comment this line?
Hash
Ash, that's it.
slash
Ash. So this ash means now these all lines are commented lines. For our understanding, already these people they given some instruction also. See here, comments begin with ash and blank lines are ignored, leave it, no problem. And group of hosts are del, delimited by the, this is the square brackets, and you can enter host names or IP address, or a host name or IP can be member of the multiple groups. If you want to, we can add same IP multiple groups also. So this is the IP, right? So if you want to, we can add this group, this IP, this CRM group also. That is your wish. It will work. So it will work. I hope you got it right. So this is for understand. See here, they created DB servers. This is the, sometimes they added host names. Sometimes they added IP address also. Now this is the DBN group, and see here they given domain names also. And this is the open source. So this is DevOps. So like this already for our understanding purpose they given. So they given ungrouped also. If you see here ungrouped host also specify the before any group header. If you don't want to add your host any group, we need to add this IP address on top of all groups. They mention here ungrouped host specify before any group headers. Before any group headers, I don't want to add any group, and that case we can add like this also. And a collection of hosts belongs to web servers. They created like this. This is one group name, and these are example for our understanding purpose. Now if we have multiple hosts following the pattern, you can specify the like this also. Whatever you want we can follow. So that is the final. Okay, now I commented escape colon x. So installation and all I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt? Suppose if you want to add one more host to your Ansible server, say same steps only, same steps. Add, create one instance and create one user and copy this public key, generate. Clear? Or if you want to, I will add one more host also. So that's it.
Host is the default file name.
Correct. Default file name. If you want to, we can create our own host also, and every time we
Okay.
need to give that file name. Host is the default file name. Already Ansible
Okay.
people they are provided. If you want to, we can
Okay.
create multiple hosts also. That is your wish. We'll see later. Coming classes we can understand. But default file name is host to configuration. See here, this is cat space config file also is there, right? Where is this ls? And so what is see here co cfg. Okay, cat space ansible see configuration file. So this is also one file. Now we can understand some configuration and all we can add it. See here to generate example configuration, and you can now more completely Ansible config init disable. This is a configuration file. Some configuration and all we can add it here. So actually earlier old versions and all, here they given some what are you want to enable, what you need to disable, that and all also they given. But now they updated this file also. Now they given only limited information. So earlier we can see many lines, all commands, all whatever configurations and all. So here we can enable, we can disable. Okay, this is a configuration file. Anyway, we're going to add. Now come to here, let me open. Yesterday we discussed Ansible ping command and also setup command. Now we'll see what is this. Now we'll see so few more commands. So just try, there is multiple ways we can connect. This is a different way I given. Whatever you want we can try. This is the simplest way, already we connected. So now setup model. Now see here hyphen setup privileges if you want to provide anyway added. And there is a copy model. Copy means so if you want to copy file. Now see here. Now so what is the here and so copy model ansible, copy model ansible. So if you click on this, this is also one module. Already Ansible people they are providing. See, Ansible dot built-in dot copy model. So you know, right, docker copy instruction. Anyway, copy means all are same only. Copy means why, which purpose we are using copy. So in docker also you know, right, copy source path, s path, and destination path, d path, right, destination path. So source and destination we need to give two arguments, from where you want to copy from. So this is a source. Same way in Ansible also there is a one model copy model. There is a one model copy model. Now see here. So this is the copy. This small part of Ansible core including the copy model name copy without specifying the collection of keywords whatever you want. And also we can give some parameters also. And this and all we'll see how it will pass parameters and how it will work. So we can pass many parameters mode any. And also here if we go here, so use validate string somewhere true or also. Where is this string user level type remote src warner mode also we can set it, we'll see later. Anyway, simply I will run a copy model, just source to destination, destination path. So these are the destination path dest, and also s path backup checksum attributes content destination follow boolean false path. Now what he written, now see here, where it will come here, right, copy. Now see here copy model, this is a ansible hyphen m copy hyphen a, and this is the source src, and this is the destination. This is the source and this is the destination. This is the destination path where you want to copy and all we can use. So source src means source, dest means destination. That and all we can see here. Src. Now see here content src source, and so dest means destination. Destination means where you want to copy. So we need to pass these two and all. Okay, remaining and all same only. Now see here, this is my Ansible server ls. So this is my Ansible server. Now let me connect my Ansible host also. How to connect? Go to here. First let me connect. This is my client also, and click on connect. Copy this one and go to here. Not here. Where is my pm file? This is pm file. Right click, get bash, or else we can connect putty also, but I hope everyone know, right, how to connect with the bash. Just we are connecting now. So sudo hyphen I, and so clear the screen, and switch user hyphen devops. Okay, now ls. So now see here, do we have pwd present working directory? I am in home devops directory. Do you have any files here as of now? ls means you know, right? Do you have any file here?
No, sir.
This is the 84 is the client. Just remember, this is not a server. 84 ip is the my client, and so 120 247 is my server. Now I am creating one file here, touch space, for example devops.txt. This is the file. What is this? Sudo tous touch space, so devops.txt. Okay, ls. Now I have one file. I want to copy this file to my client machine. This is my host. Directly also we can connect. So now see here, anyone any idea how to connect my client machine from server? How we are connecting usually?
using copy modules.
Copy. Hey, I need to connect
No,
remote.
SSH
Models.
ss
SSH IP.
devops username at, what is the ip of this? Now paste it, but we need to not hyphen dot. Now what is happening? Now I'm in which mission? See here, server mission. Now click on.
Server mission.
Now see here, I'm in which mission?
Host.
host
Host.
machine.
Client.
Now here also we can check
Host.
it. Right now I don't have anything. Right now I don't have anything. This is same command ssh space. This is the username, and this is the IP of your host, which mission you want to connect. So I am connected a particular username, and this is the particular IP. This is the user. This is the IP. This is the user IP. So this is how to connect. Next exit. Exit means now exit from the that. See, closed that connection. I disconnected the my client. But anyway, now I'm in server. So each and everything we are running only server, not in host client. Just remember blindly. So whatever running you want, Ansible commands and all, mostly we are running where? Server or host? Only server or client? Server only.
Server.
Okay, now I am
Server.
using so Ansible hyphen m, and so next, what is the module name? Copy. What is the module name? Copy. And what is the group name? Group name devops.
DevOps.
devops hyphen a. Next, we need to give two, right?
Spelling
Source.
mistake. DevOps.
source Source, right? What is source? Where is your source file? Now first come to source file. This is my source file pwd. So this is the, here my file is available. Here my file is available. Okay, ansible hyphen m copy model devops, and hyphen a and src. Src means so this is my path, this is my path, source path. Here my, what happens, where is my source equal to, where is my file, etc, correct, let's check it, etc slash ansible slash, what is the file name, devapps.txt. Next dest, where you want to copy, so I want to copy home slash devapps slash devapps.txt. Now see here, so this is the command, just copy module only and remaining same only, hyphen m module name, this is the group name, hyphen a and source path, correct, okay, anyway try it, if it's not working we'll see. Ansible, typo error, ble, ansible hyphen n. Now so if you run this, now see here, anyway it is running, but we can see here, changed, changed, and so see here ansible fact, and also we can see what is the group, what is the user, this is the devapps here, and so home devapps ansible temp and all. Now go and check here a client mission, this is the client, right, ls command. Now see here, file is copied or not, earlier I don't have any file, అర్థమైందా, so earlier I don't have any file, now I executed that command, now I executed, so copy command, copy model. So now I copied from server to client only, server to client, I copied from server to client. So for that case we can use copy model, for that case we can use copy model. Remaining story same only, nothing. So remaining story same only. If you want to copy, if you want to copy, there is a copy files to remote location, copy files to remote location. If you want to copy files from your any client mission, so there is a, what is this model, copy model, what is the model name, copy model. Okay, source and destination, remaining and all we will see few more things in playbooks, how to simply source we need to give, and also we need to give destination also, this and all playbook, how to return in the playbook, written the playbook. Okay, clear guys. So how to copy, whatever you want we can use copy model, so with the help of copy model we can copy. And so go to this is our node missions, this is your client mission, we can check it, or if you directly if you want to we can check here also. And I want to give permission also, there is one more option, right, mode option. So here if you see here, here somewhere we can see mode, right, mode means that is the which permission you want to assign, which permission mode, mode means see what type of mode you want to provide, so that is the mode. See that permission of the destination of a directory, I want to provide some permission also, I hope anyone know, right, so I hope all are know why you have so this is number format, permission means so read permission, write permission, read means 4, write means 2, and
Two.
so execute permission means 1,
One.
1. So now based on this, so if you want to provide permission also, so we can give that set permission also. Now so there is one more example, you want to set permission mode also we can set it. Now here I am giving permission to 600. Now I am going to create one more file here, try to understand. Now I am executing same command, by I am executing same command, see here, so first time it is changed, right, now I am executing same command only. Now what is happening, check it. Now this time it is coming green, Anyone guess? First time also changed. Now second time it is coming green. Anyone any idea?
Changes is there in first file,
Uh,
and
See
there is no
first,
changes in second.
yeah. So second time means already file is available. Correct? So already this file is available in the destination path.
Yes.
So now changed means for this is user end purpose, whether it is really copied or not. Changed means something updated. Now I executed same command. Now I got success. Success means destination path already is there. Again, right, Ansible is idempotent. Already if it is available, it won't trigger anything. It is checking. If it is not available, it will execute. If already available, it won't change anything. So that is the reason second time we are getting success. Okay, success. Now I'm going to create a one more file. Now see here, and so sudo TOU search space. So for example, test.txt file. I am giving a text, anything that is only testing, right? Text file. And so now see here, I want to provide mode also. Now if you go here, client mission and LL, and what is this permission of this file? Earlier I didn't give any mode. DevOps I created, I copied my source to destination, that is a server to my client. So user read write, group only read permission, others read permission. Now come to here, now I want to set permission also, same command, extra we need to add permission. Now come to here, so this is the test.txt, test.txt, and destination, sorry, test.txt, and go to here, test.txt, and we need to add mode. We need to add mode. So mode equal to which permission you want to provide this file. Now got it? What is this mode? Permission of the destination file or directory. So this is my destination, right? So I want to give some permission. This file I am giving 700. What is this, guys? 700 means
Full
user
permission.
I
Read
am
write.
giving full permission, or so group I am removing anything. So and others also I am not going to give anything. Okay, now check it. So done. Now see here, changed means it is checking destination path. Destination, this file is not available, now it is copied, that is meaning changed. Now check it, go to your client mission, and so LL, go to your client mission LL. So if you are not providing any mode, by default these are the permissions: read write, read. Now I given mode also. Mode means destination file I want to provide some permission. So this is the permission: read write execution. Remaining I removed everything. I hope clear, right? Anyone any doubt? So first time నేను execute చేశాను ఈ file కి, but I didn't set any mode and all. So these are the default permission. డిఫాల్ట్గా మనకి యూజర్కి ఏమొస్తుంది, రీడ్ రైట్, గ్రూప్కి రీడ్ వస్తుంది, అదర్స్కి సారీ అదర్స్ కూడా రీడ్ వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను అలా కాదు, నేను సెట్ చేశాను డెస్టినేషన్ కాపీ చేయాలి. సో వైల్ కాపీయింగ్ డెస్టినేషన్ పాత్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గివ్ సమ్ పర్మిషన్స్, యూ వాంట్ టు సెట్ సమ్ పర్మిషన్స్. సో దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ వన్. Okay, mode equal to, so just give the permission whatever you want. So like this there is many arguments we can pass it. We'll see coming classes, so we can add some and all, how to pass and all. This is the mode, this is the source path, destination path and all. Okay, so this is the, if you want to copy, if you want to add, if you want to add any permissions, we can give this mode also, we can give this mode also, we can this mode. Okay, now clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? Copy model, this and all ada commands. Ada commands means single line commands only. So single line interval. So what is the Ansible ada commands means single line commands. Only we are running so command prompt. One commands only we can execute. Suppose if you want to run more than one models, and that case we should go for a playbook. That case we should go for playbook. Same in Docker, right? Mostly we are running ada commands. If you want to add multiple instructions, we should go for Docker file, right? Same way here we should go for Ansible playbook. But as of now I am running ada commands only. Okay, just try to understand. So anyone, any doubt here? Clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is one more command is there. Command model. Command also one model. If you want to run any Linux command, so here also one command is there. Command model Ansible. All everything available, only existing model. I am not going to write and own. See here, command model. What is the purpose of command model? See here, execute commands on the target mission. I want to execute few commands my target mission. So here, which is the target? Which is the target means? So this is my target mission, correct? Yes or no? This is the server. This is my Ansible server, and this is my target mission. Here in this mission, suppose if you want to execute any command, so that case this is the one model. What is the model name? Command model. See here, Ansible execute commands on the target. See, so this and all syntax, and so how we can execute and all we can check it here. Also we can use pipe symbol, we can use ampersand and all. See here, what is what it will allow, what it won't allow, so everything we can read. This is the official document. So docs.ansible.com, this is the official document. Whatever you want, go and search here. This is the official document. Ansible people, they are providing this document. Whatever you want, we can come and check it here. Okay. Now see here, this is the syntax. We can follow like this. Now see here. So command Ansible, this is the command, and this is the whatever command you want, we can execute. Okay. Now see here, I want to execute something. Now see here, Ansible -m. What is the model name? Command. What is the model name? Command. What is the group name? DevApps. Okay. Now I want to execute command. Whichever command you want, we can execute. See here, right? All Linux commands. Very simple only. All Linux commands. Tell me any command, whatever you want. So whatever you want. So anyone. Right? What is ls command? Ls means
Yes.
it will display all files and directories in the particular directory, right? Now see here, these two files, it is displaying my server mission, or this is my client mission?
Client machine.
Client only. How we know this is client? In top also we can see what is the IP of your client. Got it? Node mission. hmm? 84. This is my 247 me Ansible server. So 84 is my client.
Host.
Host, this is the client, this is the client node or host, all are same only. That terminology only it will change. Sometimes I am calling node mission, sometimes I am calling client, host, all are same only. Now see here, it is connecting and it is displaying. Now we have doubt. Now I am going to create one more file here. See here, sudo touch, sudo search, for example shiva.txt. So this file is available only node machine, that is the client machine. Now from server I want to check. For server I want to check that list and all. What is the command? Ansible -m. What is the model name? Command model, and group name DevApps -a. And what is the command? Which command you want to execute in our client machine? Which command you want to execute in our client machine? Hyphen ILL. LL, right? What is LL also? Now see here, what is not LL, LS? Anything missing? Ansible L LS
Yes.
hyphen LRT LTR LTR. Okay. Now see here, LTR LTR long, and so reverse, whatever you want we can give. These all are Linux commands only. Simply these are the commands. Now see here, this shiva.txt file available only client mission, not here. Now see here, ls-lrt ltr. Okay. Now see here, Shiva is, this is my server, this is my Ansible server. Right now I am in 247. my server, and so this is executed. Old content also we can see here. So this is the right, it is coming white. See here, color also changed or not? We can easily guess it based on color also, or also we can check this is IP address, whether it is real, this is really related to right, our server, or this is related to our node, that is the client. So this is a command. Now, so clear. Now check it. Ansible hyphen m. What is the module name? Command module. What is the module name? Command module. And so group name dev hyphen a. And now right, how to check memory. What is the command? Interval also most of the people they are asking how to check memory. Linux command. Machpanara. I want to check free space memory. Memory I want to check. What is the Linux command? Anyone?
df-hk.
VF.
df-hk.
I asked memory, not disk.
Top commands.
Only memory. ఎంత memory ఉంది? I want to see RAM details. Only memory. Linux లో డిస్కస్ అండ్ ఫ్రీ స్పేస్ ఐఫన్ ఎం. మర్చిపోయినారా? ఓన్లీ మెమొరీ. ఇక్కడే సెర్చ్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్. ఫ్రీ స్పేస్ ఐఫన్ ఎం. వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్? అర్థమైందా శివశంకర్? Top is that is it will display many see more information. Got it? Clear? Only memory means free space hyphen m. Now see here, what is the total memory, what is used memory, what is free memory, everything we can track it here. Now I want to execute same command. Ansible Ansible hyphen m model name command model and space group name dev hyphen a and free hyphen m. Got it? Now see here. So now this is the server or client. This is my client information, not server information. Got it? Now there is one more command, df du. Very very important. Interview also most of the people they are asking. What is df? What is du? Interview they are asking these three questions. How to check
Free
disk?
disks.
Df means df du. There is two commands, right? Very very important. Most of the people they are asking this command. Du, df, df and du in Linux command. What is this? Disk. One is usage, disk usage. DF, file systems, human readable file system. Space your file systems using. Very very important. Already we discussed df, du and free and also uname command. What is the purpose of uname? Machpanara, uname hyphen a hyphen r. Uname means if you want to find operating system, check it here. If you have any doubt, uname hyphen a. Uname means will get see kernel version and all operating system. Which operating system? I am using Linux and I am using 5.14. This is same commands. So these commands I want to execute my client mission. These commands I want to execute in my client mission. This is the command. Ansible hyphen m. Module name is command. Group name is devops hyphen a. Whatever you want. Du hyphen. What is the arguments you want? So that and all your wish. So whatever you want we can pass. Du hyphen cases. H means disk usage, right? We can pass arguments. Kh. We can pass arguments and we can check it. Now see here. So these are the, see here, ss directory and also this is temp. These are the KK means kilobyte. KK means kilobyte. Disk usage in the particular mission, particular that directory path. Whatever you have, so we can check it. And same way, DF. DF means file system. I want to see file system format. I want to see file system format. See here, same command, Linux only. But this command I am executing via server. I am executing my client mission. So now I am sitting here. నేను ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాను ఇక్కడ. I am sitting this server. I am the IT operation guy. Configuration management purpose. What is the use, right? So same command we can execute multiple host also, multiple client. Next class I will add one or two more host missions. We can see. Now I am sitting here. Now I am sitting here, but just assume this is the office. This server is available office. This server is reside in office, and I am in work from my home, right? How these people are connecting? How these people are connecting? How these people are checking my mission also? They are executing only server mission, not in host. But our IPs and all already that type that people know. They have our list, IP list, and so these people sitting here and they are executing. So they want to check my mission usage. They want to check my mission file system. They want to check my mission memory. So directly they are running here only, not here. They won't come here. So directly they are from here only they can run it. Now I am also running, right? I am in server mission. This is Ansible server. I am getting information from which mission? Client only, not my server mission. This information and all client only. I hope you got it, right? Anyone, any doubt here? Yes or no? So నేను సర్వర్లోనే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను. నో నీడ్ టు కమ్ మై మిషన్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దే ఆర్ గెటింగ్ మై సర్వర్ మై క్లయింట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఓన్లీ. So that is the this one, free memory and all. So whatever you want, so we can pass it. And so if you want to more than one commands, if you want to pass more than one commands, we need to use shell command. So you know, right, and pipe symbol and all in Linux. So now you know IP config and all, you know how to check IP address. Linux mission. Windows we are using IP config, right? Windows, how we are checking? This is the CMD Windows mission, right? If you want to check IP address, IP config.
Conflict.
This is same way. If you want to check your IP address in Linux machine, this is the if config. This is the if config. Maybe that package is not available. We need to install that one, if config. So what is the package name exactly? Yum install. Let me check whether it will, or there is different package name. Root user only we need to install. Sudo sudo sudo. There is one package, right, for IP config and all. So we need to install first this package name, otherwise it won't work that command and all. Okay, now remaining same only, free memory config df-kh. If you want to run more than, so df I am using free also. Now see here, I am using same command, but here I am using more than one. See here, config Ansible. What is the group name? Here nodes. Here my group name is DevApps. That is not node my group name. DevApps hyphen m config command hyphen. Now see here, df already know. Df already know. Free also you know. Free also you know. Okay. Now it won't support. This command model. Let me check it. See here, no such failed and no such file or directory it won't support. And for this there is a one more model also is there, that is the shell model. that is the shell model that is the shell model. Now see here, so command model it won't support, so ampersand we cannot add more one commands, more than one, you know, right? And so this is the I am executing two commands. Here I am executing df-kh and free also, free memory. Now got it? So command model it won't support, and that case we can use shell model. Shell also one model. Now we can execute any commands. See here, shell Ansible, shell model in Ansible. Shell also one model. Now we can see same purpose, execute shell commands on your target. So generally, right, in Jenkins, there is two, right, Windows and shell. If you want to execute Linux commands, we are taking so Windows prompt. If you want to execute any Linux commands, shell. Got it? Jenkins లో చూస్తుంటారు. విండోస్ కమాండ్స్ ఎక్కడ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి, లైనక్స్ కమాండ్స్ విచ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్, విండోస్ అండ్ షెల్. సేమ్ వే, and this is also one model, execute shell commands on your target missions. Both are same only, but if you have few of commands we cannot run in command model, and so this is the shell model. Here also we can execute whatever we want. Here also we can execute all these things. See here, this is also shell model. Now see here, I want to see, for example, see Ansible -m SHC shell also one model, group name DevOps, and -a. I want to print data. I want to print data. Right? It will print date and time. See here, what is the date and time? What is this command? Date is the Linux command, right? So we can execute shell target missions. So all commands it will execute date and all whatever you want we can create. So this is the shell model. This is the shell model. So command and shell both purpose execute the target missions, execute the commands in target missions only. Execute the commands. If you want to execute commands in target mission, whether we can use shell model or whether we can use command model. And command model it won't support this ampersand and all, we cannot execute, we cannot add more than one, and that case you should go for shell. Okay, so purpose is same only, purpose is same only, but all commands it will execute here whatever you want. So via shell also we can execute. Now check it, shell ls hyphen lrt. Now see here, all are executed, we can use shell also. Now earlier I am using command, right? Now we can use shell also. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Command and shell. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now so command, shell, and file model. So file model means I want to create one file. So suppose if you want to create any file, there is a one model. So there is a one model, Ansible people they are providing one model. What is that model name? File model. File model in Ansible. Now see here, so what is this model? This is also one model. So manage files and file properties in target mission. So manage files and my file properties. Suppose if you want to create any file, I want to give some permission. So that case we go for so file model. So the model of file, this is a file also one model name, and so how to use file model. Now I am going to use same thing only. This is the syntax. See here, file and destination, and what is the state. If you go here, there is a state also, one arguments you need to pass, state. See here, state means we can pass mostly this one, absent and a directory, or this is a file and a link file or touch or hard. Right, what is link files? Soft link and hard link. Soft link and hard link. Right, what is absent? So here we can understand. See here, we can pass this many choice. We see default current state of the file is a directory or recursively as or file. Otherwise we need to pass whether it is absent, we need to create a directory, or whether it is file, whether it is touch. Touch means, right, create the file. Absent means remove directory file. We can pass this and all. Now this is the state. State equal to directories will be recursively deleted, and so same directory, and it will be created directory. And what is the file? If with no other options returns the current state of the path. And so whatever hard link of the file, link, symbolic link, touch, if it is will create one empty file, whatever you want. So these are the choice parameter we need to pass. Now see here how to create and all. This is the syntax. See here, Ansible, this is the destination where you want to create, and this is the state equal to touch, state equal to touch. Now come to here, so this is a server, right? This is a server, this is my Ansible server. Now see here, Ansible Ansible hyphen m. What is the module name? File. And what is the group name? DevOps. The group name and all your wish, we can pass anywhere. I am passing Ansible DevOps hyphen m module name, hyphen m module name, file model hyphen a, and I am using a destination dest. Destination is the one argument where you want to create your file. I want to create my file home slash DevOps slash. I am using see here, I am using, for example, see here, kishore.txt file, and state equal to state. So state equal to, so how many arguments we can pass? So these many arguments we can pass. I want to create one new file, right? If you want to create a new file, what is the arguments you need to pass?
touch.
Touch. Now see here, state equal to touch is touch. That's it. Now see here, Ansible. So this is the group name and this is the hyphen m, this is the model name. File is the model name. Hyphen a, this is the destination where you want to create. So I want to create home directory, DevOps directory, kishore.txt, state equal to touch. Now before that, first check it here. I am in which path? Current I am in same path only. Do we have any file kishore.txt? Do we have any file? No, right? Do we have any file here? This is my client. I don't have any file here. Now I'm going to execute this command. Now see here. Now changed. Now changed and file also created. See here, destination. This is the file name and change true. Yes, it is executed. Now go to your client mission. Go to your client and check it. Or else, so directly we can check here also. How we are checking here from server? We can execute this command. We can execute this command, right? ls-lrt. Now see here. Now see here, kishore.txt file is created or not. See here, what is the default permissions and mode also, if you want to we can set it. I hope you got it right. So if you want to create, for example, I want to delete this file. I want to delete this file. Suppose if you want to delete, so there is one argument. So what is that argument? Absent. See here, absent means directory will be recursively deleted if file symbolic will be unlinked. So whatever you want, we can use absent. Suppose if you don't want, we can use absent. Now I want to delete this file. So Kishore is already created, right? If you want to delete, now state equal to, what is the command? What is the argument?
Absent.
absent. Correct only, right? So what is this? Absent. So this is, now check it. Now changed. Now changed also true. Okay, state equal to absent. This is the path. Okay, now check this whether really deleted or not. Now I am using same command. I am not go to every time client mission. I am executing same command. Now see here, for example, you want to delete siva.txt file. Now same command. So go to here, what is the file name? Siva.txt, siva.txt, and state equal to absent. Now see here, changed. Now check this, ls-ltr. Now deleted or not? Now again I am using same command. So now siva.txt file available or not? Unda ipudu?
Less, sir.
Ledu. No, right? Now we can see here, command is executed but there is no changed, nothing is there. So no changes happening in the destination path. No changes happening in the destination path. That's it. So that is the case. We can use file model. File means if you want to create, suppose I need to create one directory. I need to create one directory. Directory means, now in this case, what I need to do? Argument. Go to here. What is the argument for directory? Directory. Copy this one and state equal to directory. State equal to directory. It is not copied properly. Just wait. Directory. State equal to directory. And so what is the directory name? Which directory you want, guys? I want to create a directory name is, for example, Pati directory. Okay. Now see here, this is the destination path. Destination, this is the home/devops, directory name pati, and state equal to directory. Now check it, remaining same command only. Now see here, changed true, and this is the path correct only. Okay, now check this whether really it is created or not. So ls-lrt. Now directory is created or not. How I know this is directory or this is a file? Path is created, whether this is directory or file.
Yes, sir. Direct.
How?
D is
Let us
there.
start.
First character, right? So if we see
Yeah.
here, first character the directory. So now we can use these many arguments based on your requirement. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, we can pass. This is a state. State equal to we pass anything. This is the source. If you want to use source, now I used only destination. Where is the dest? I used only destination. Dest. Dest. Where is that? Dest. Dest, right? This is the destination. There is some more else. So dest. So this is the destination. SRC means source. DEST means destination only. Okay. So that is the source and destination. So I hope we got some idea, right? Now what are the models you know? You know what is ping model, you know setup model, and you know command model, you know shell model, you know next what is the model? File model, you know. Next,
File model. Absent.
that is arguments, right? So command model, shell model, file model. Which model we discussed? Only three. File model, command model, shell model, copy model. Yes, copy model. Okay. Any other? Copy set up yesterday already. Copy model, and so file model, and also next what is this file model, shell model, file model, command model. These are the models we cover, right? Command model, file model, and all. Okay, so next class we'll see a few more commands, a few more models, and next we'll slowly move on to so playbook. So anyone any doubt, guys?